First of all, create a new project and import the photo. Now, add your music. Then, locate the beat and add the other photo at the same point. Create a duplicate of the same photo. Now, remove the background of the photo in the top layer. Then, use keyframes to create a sliding up animation. Now, add keyframes to the other photo and create zoom in animation. Now, add animation to each photo as shown. Do the same with the other photos and sync those photos with the beats. Now, you can export it. Now, create a new project and bring down the exported clip. Then, add mild effect to the clip. Now, add local color to your clip. At last, add digital block 1 to the clip. Your video is ready to export.